Choose one. Obviously top. That wasn't even a Jesus. Hi Internet, it's me Elizabeth, and there are 39 more days left until I move to Paris. So the other day, I was watching some Eat Your Kimchi videos. I love you guys! And I just decided to do a marathon of all the interviews they'd done with different K-pop artists. And it happened to come across a few idols that I found particularly interesting, and so I decided to Google them. This Google session then turned into about 4 hours of research on these individual idols. And that's when I realized I have a problem. I'm not joking here. Literally, every time I find someone on the internet or in a movie or TV show or whatever that I am even remotely a little bit attracted to, I Google them. And I spend a long time researching them. The first thing I always seem to look for, though, is their age. Let me explain why. Somehow in my head, when I am first physically attracted to this person, something goes off in my brain where I think that if we're close enough in age, we'll magically meet or something, and we'll fall in love, and it'll be like a long romance. No. Why do I think that way? Because it doesn't make any sense for that to happen. Just because someone is around my age does not mean they're going to automatically fall in love with me, because I'm going to be honest, I'm weird as hell. Even though I am a lovely person to be around, I get a bit obsessive, so not really attractive qualities to have in a person. Also, I fart a lot, so it's just like, you can't win. And if their age is a little bit too old, like I was looking up Eric Nam and he's 24, I feel thoroughly disappointed that there is no chance for me, even though there was no chance for me in the first place. First off, Eric Nam lives in Korea, so how was I ever expecting to meet Eric Nam? And he's famous, so like, Elizabeth. Like, that's how I started falling in love with Diggy Simmons, because he is not that much older than me. And I was like, dang boy, your genes came together real pretty. And you're my age, let's marry each other. I really hope Diggy Simmons never sees this video. But I know I'm not the only one, because I've seen you, Tumblr fandoms, I've seen you. Sherlock fandom is crazy as nothing else. All you fandoms are crazy, but keep on loving what you love, because that's cool. And then I get really secretive about my research too, so if anyone has to come in the room while I'm looking them up, I change the tab really quickly, and it looks really suspicious, like I was looking at something I really wasn't supposed to, when really I was looking up their family's history, which is still just as weird. Maybe I should look up Teen Top. Actually not a bad idea. I don't listen to Teen Top, but... To the computer! Okay, Teen Top. Okay, let's look at images first, because I need to evaluate. Who's Cap? Whoa! Oh my gosh! What? What? And he's a rapper. This is the best day of my life. So, but yeah, that's today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. As always, please subscribe to this channel, comment down below any questions or comments you might have for me. Like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!